stream experience. Stream, S-T-R-E-A-M. Previously, we know there's such a thing called STEM, right? S-T-E-M. Then later on becomes STEAM, which is arts, artistic aspect. Then you bring in the design, aesthetics, concepts in. But the concept there is actually stream now. On top of STEAM, you add in one more R in the middle. It means reading. Reading for literacy, for stories, for expression. A lot of people think that STEM and STEAM and STREAM all require robotics, and this is a strong misconception. Okay, because ultimately the whole idea of STREAM is to use science, technology, engineering, okay, mathematics, everything all bring together to solve real-world problem. So they actually have this experience inside what we have seen just now, okay, here, which is in the story. You have a problem, okay, you have to do the reading, you have to understand the context, and thereafter you use the science aspect, okay, to solve that problem. And during that time, where is the engineering? Engineering is the others using science to solve it, not necessarily need the kind of heavy hydraulic or whichever. Okay, so this is what we can integrate in throughout all our courses. Okay, where is the technology part? The students go do AI mapping, right? The prompt straight away is there. They log in with any free account, okay, and then they say the keyword and AI guide them to map out the whole thing up. Down here. So that right now is the currently AI intelligence or AI kind of literacy, okay, is very crucial on top of coding. And furthermore, if we package the whole thing under stream, okay, so you have to tie, is the glue that tie everything up, then it can actually make everything more aligned and also more focused on the future skills.